Hi everyone, we're going to go over how to complete our extended constructed response for instructional cycle 1, and this one is focusing on the Declaration of Independence. And you know that we've been doing this in class, so you have a lot of this work done already, and we're going to talk about how you can use stuff that you have already done the past couple weeks to write this. So if you'll take a look, this is a document that helps you move through the Declaration of Independence, organize your thoughts, and then write your essay. So you'll notice there are 5 steps throughout this document. Look up here right at the top. Steps 1 through 4 are to help you brainstorm for your essay. Those are just brainstorming. Step 5, the actual essay, is the only part that will be graded. So yes, do these brainstorming steps because they'll help you write a better essay. But don't just do them and do nothing else, because if you don't write the actual essay, then you didn't really complete the assignment. So I just want to make sure that's clear and nobody gets confused about that. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to start off and you're going to reread the first section. And when I say reread, we've done this in class. Remember this? You should have this. It was in the OHS. I shared it with you in class. We read it. We talked about key words. We talked about the sentence that sums it up, and we found from the document, and we wrote about it in your own words. So guys, look back here. You've done this down here. So you can use the information from that sheet and the other two like it to help you complete the brainstorming for your essay. So after you've reread this section, what is your topic sentence in your own words? And you can reword what you wrote on that sheet, or if what you wrote is great, use that you wrote in your own words. But what is the main argument that Thomas Jefferson gives for the colonists' separation from Great Britain in just this section? What is the argument he's making, the overall argument? Use your own words. Just tell me, what do you think? Then you're going to find a direct quote from just this section that backs up your opinion about his argument. All right, remember, when you are doing this, you have to use in-text citations. All right, so you're not just going to write the direct quote here and walk away. You need to put Jefferson stated, comma, put the direct quotation marks, put the quote, and then more quotation marks, parentheses, page number, parentheses, period. Now, for our purposes here, you can just put page 1 or page 2. It's up to you. That's fine. I just want to make sure that you understand the formatting for this purpose. Okay, you're going to put that down here. And then your explanation. You gave us your opinion. You found a quote to back it up. So right here, you're going to explain, how does this quote back up your opinion? How do these two work together? This could take more than one sentence. And also, it wouldn't hurt to use some of those keywords from the prompt, which luckily you found keywords. You know how to find keywords because we did that back here with this document. But here, using keywords from the prompt can also help you. And remember, our prompt is right here. What 3 key arguments does Thomas Jefferson make for the colony separation from Great Britain? So that wouldn't hurt either. So you can see that's what you do for the first section. You notice it's color-coded. I'll explain why in a minute. You're going to do the same thing for section 2. You're going to reread section 2. Tell us what you think his argument is in this section. You're going to find a direct quote that backs that up, and you're going to write it correctly. And then you're going to explain how the quote and your opinion work together in your explanation. Use a key word from the prompt to help you. And then you're going to reread the third section, and you're going to do the same thing. You're done. And honestly, most of you can probably go back to the sheets that you've done in class and fill most of this in. All right, so now we're going to start making those delicious quote sandwiches, and this is going to outline your essay for you. All right, so, and now you understand why everything was color-coded above. All right, so you have 3 paragraphs here. So this is our first paragraph. Now, because we're only having 3 paragraphs, you're not actually writing an introductory paragraph, we do need an introductory sentence. What is this paper about? Well, all you need to do is restate the prompt, and we've talked about this in class. Don't just repeat the prompt. Don't just use that question, but you can restate it. So it could be something like 3 arguments Thomas Jefferson makes for the colony separation from Great Britain, and then you list the 3 that you're going to talk about. Or, so something like that. So just tell us what you're going to talk about in your paper. Then, you've already done the work above. Now you're just going to move those, you're going to think about this down here. What's your topic sentence that you wrote from above? You go back up, you can get it, you can just copy and paste it and put it here. The direct quote, make sure it's written correctly with your lead in and the in-text citation, put it here. And then your explanation, put it here. Make sure they make sense together. Okay, and then for your second paragraph, you're going to talk about what you did for the blue section, just copying and pasting from above. Same thing for the third paragraph, okay? But since the third paragraph is your last paragraph, you also need a summary sentence, so you want to summarize your entire response, your entire essay. What was your paper about? Restate your thesis, and you can do that here. So guys, if you really think about this overall, this is not a very long essay. Your paragraphs are not very long, but you are getting a feel for how to do this correctly, and this is really going to help you when it comes to the EOC. All right, so those were steps 1 through 4. Now, you have to actually put your essay together. So, it says in this step, you will copy and paste your sentences above into 3 separate paragraphs. Don't just make it one big paragraph. 1 paragraph for the yellow group, 1 for the blue, 1 for the green. I am super duper nice, and I've already formatted your document into MLA formatting so you can see what that looks like below. And you can also remove those colors if you want to do that. To do that, you just highlight everything and come up here if you're in Word where it says text highlight color and choose no color, and it'll all go away. So, I've already done everything here, but you do need to add your name. So your name is not your name. And if it is, well, I was psychic. All right, and then down here, you are going to take that purple sentence and everything from the yellow group and make it 1 paragraph. Then everything from the blue group, 1 paragraph. Everything from the green group in that last purple sentence, 3rd paragraph. And you are done. You're turning this in and you're done. Your first big assignment. First big writing assignment of the year is done, and you can't believe how easy it was. So that is awesome. You'll also notice too that this is double spaced, and that's proper MLA format is to have it double spaced, so keep it that way. If you need help, we have Raise Your Grade sessions Tuesday through Friday. We have learner conferences. We have small group. We have large group. You literally can reach me through email at any time, because you know I love to email you guys back when I can. So please don't hesitate to get the help you need to get this done. Good luck, and I look forward to reading your first essays.